Welcome back to the Weather Centre, where we can expect hot weather over parts of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. It's a very windy day over the interior with a high fire danger warning, and then tonight we'll see a cold front move in over the western part of South Africa. On our satellite, you'll see the cold front moving slowly towards South Africa's borders. Ahead of that, we've seen a band of fog form along the west coast with some tropical moisture flowing in over the interior, and that'll help that thundershower development later on in the day. You'll also see some moisture being pushed in over the northeastern parts, which resulted in some morning drizzle along the northeastern escarpment. It'll be a hot day over parts of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal with windy conditions across the interior, and then we'll see that band of thundershowers extending across South Africa in the second part of the day. We're forecasting partly cloudy and hot weather in the northeast, with the cold front bringing in rainfall in the west, and that's mainly in the second part of Monday. There's a high fire danger warning across much of the interior, with runaway fires possible in the shade of red. Windy conditions are expected across the interior, with fresh to strong northerly to northwesterly winds in the forecast. You'll see a strong northeasterly wind along the coast between Richards Bay and East London, with a fresh northwesterly wind in the west. Up to a 60% chance of thundershowers is forecast over the southeastern interior, with isolated thundershowers as we head towards the eastern Cape Coast, as well as into the northwest, with a slight possibility of thundershowers from Mpumalanga and Gauteng. And then we're expecting rainfall in the west due to that cold front, and most of that rainfall will be in the second part of the day. It's a relatively hot day across South Africa on Monday, 33 degrees for Kimberley and R, in the mid-30s for Graaff-Reinet and Bishu, with a maximum of around 30 degrees for Port Elizabeth, East London and Richards Bay, as well as Mahikeng and Pretoria, 27 for Johannesburg and Durban, both with a warm afternoon in store, and then you'll see cooler weather for Vredendal, Cape Town and Sutherland, all at around 20 degrees. Our extended forecast for Cape Town shows the cold front bringing in cloudy, cold and wet weather on Tuesday. Rain is still forecast on Wednesday, but by Thursday we're expecting warmer temperatures and of course partly cloudy and dry weather. On Tuesday we're forecasting cloudy, wet and cold conditions over the western and southern parts due to that cold front, with thundershowers over the central and northeastern parts extending all the way through to the east coast. Sunny and hot for Bombela at 33 degrees, and on Wednesday we're expecting rainfall over the eastern parts with thundershowers in the northeast, and we're still expecting some rain for Cape Town at 17 degrees. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.